Google Sites is perfectly integrated with other Google tools such as Google Forms application. However, the form created in Google Forms does not look professional. Would you like to learn how to create a form that looks professional? For example, like this. Let's create it together. First, let's create a document in Google Sheets. Insert a header, then go to Extensions and select App Script. Let's change the name of the project, call it Contact Form. In the document code.js, insert this code. The code is in the first document and the link is in the description of this video. Let's change the email address to which we want the notification to be sent. Click on Save and go to Deploy, then select New Deployment. Let's choose Web App. In the description, we write Contact Form. Under Web App, leave your email address. Under Who has access, choose Everyone and click Deploy. Now it is necessary to give the appropriate authorization. Follow these steps. We got the URL of our web application. Let's leave this page open. Now let's create a new website in Google Sites. We do not need header. Go to Insert and select Embed. Paste the HTML code in the Embedded Code tab. The link to that HTML code is in the description of this video. Now change the URL in the HTML code. Let's copy the URL and paste it in the appropriate place in the HTML code. Here. Now publish the page. Let's check if it works. Data has been sent successfully. Let's check if the data has been inserted into the Google Sheets document. We see that everything works fine. Has the email notification arrived? We see that it has. Want more videos like this? Like, subscribe to our channel, or write to us.